Welcome to this video tutorial on using the Milo app to register your home working days. The Milo app is a great tool for keeping track of your work from home days. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the app to register your work from home days in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Milo. The first step to registering your home working days with Milo is to open the app. Once you have the app open, you will see the home screen. Step 2. Add registration. To register your work from home days, you will need to add a registration. To do this, click on the Add Registration button. This button is usually located at the top of the screen. Once you click on the button, you will be taken to the registration screen. Step 3. Select your location. The next step is to select your location. Milo will show the locations set by your employer. If you have multiple locations, you can select the appropriate location from the list and click Next. Step 4. Select the date or dates and confirm registration. The next step is to select the date or dates that you will work from home. You can select a single date or multiple dates. To select a date, click on the date on the calendar. If you are registering multiple dates, you can select each date by clicking on it. Once you have selected the dates, you can confirm your registration by clicking on the Confirm Registration button. This will save your registration in the app, and you will receive a confirmation message. Your registrations will now be shown on the home screen. You can see a list of all your registrations by clicking Workplace Registration. That's it. You have now successfully registered your home working days using the Milo app. It's important to keep track of your work from home days, and Milo makes it easy to do so. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask our customer support team via servicedesk@ximo.com or 0900 1980. Thank you for watching.